Mercedes-AMG introduces GT3-based track day car. Mercedes-AMG disclosed a limited edition of its modified GT3 car that broke the Mount Panorama lap record in the hands of Jules Gonon, previously named the Mercedes-AMG GT3 Edition 130Y Motorsport. The car was manufactured as part of the company's celebrations of its 130-year presence in motorsport. The company unveiled at Pebble Beach as part of the Monterey Car Week event. The non-homologated special has been limited to a run of just 13 examples for €1,030,000. The car's limited edition is based on the modified Mercedes-AMG GT3 Evo that factory driver Jules Gonon utilized to set the unofficial lap record at the Mount Panorama circuit ahead of this year's Bathurst 12-hour, although that record was later broken by Romain Dumas in the Ford Superman 4.2. The 6.3-liter V8 engine creates 680 horsepower due to a lack of air restrictor and special exhaust system, but the car's aerodynamics feature different changes, including a new front splitter, side skirts, underfloor, rear diffuser, and a rear wing sporting a drag reduction system. In addition, the steel brakes needed on a homologated GT3 car have been changed by carbon brakes. The silver and blue livery design tends to nod to Mercedes-AMG's racing history, with the silver paying award to the silver arrows of the 1950s. In the interior, the blue checkered fabric on the seats is nurtured by the 300 statutory liquidity ratio driven by the likes of Juan Manuel Fangio and Sterling Moss in 1955. Mercedes-AMG Motorsport head Christoph Sackmuller stated, "The unique Mercedes-AMG GT3 Edition 130Y Motorsport is the crowning glory of our current motorsport portfolio. Not only is it strictly limited to 13 units, it's also the latest GT3 version with our iconic AMG 6.3-liter V8 naturally aspirated engine. With this exclusive edition, we're also showing what's possible outside of the official homologation, and we've integrated several technical refinements and lightweight components." Sagemüller added, "We're thus setting another milestone in our anniversary year and offering interest to customers."